Hi and welcome back to the BN Kitchen. I'm Jackie Lewis, clinical nutritionist for BN Multi. If you've been looking for a filling and healthy soup for the colder months, you'll love our anti-inflammatory chicken and ginger soup. This soup will satisfy your hunger, warm your body and invigorate your spirit. Enjoy. Changing your eating habits can change your overall health. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can find many more recipes at bnmulti.com and join the BN Bariatric Facebook group for a wide range of topics related to your weight loss surgery journey.